Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look's gonna be drinking. Look's gonna be smoking. Look's gonna be swearing. Look, you've been warned. Look, here I come. 3, look, 2, look, 1. Bang! All right, everybody, part two. So now we're gonna get to the stories. I just wanted to make sure because you've seen it. Sometimes Microsoft cuts me off and then I gotta redo it. And now I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't want to do that yap that I just did a second ago. So right now, as I speak to you, we are uploading the portion I did, and we're going to get back to the stories. So the stories of the day are the largest Swiss bank, bang, is offering Tezos staking and crypto trading. And the largest independent advisor in the U.S., bang, is entering the crypto market. And then finally, KPMG adds Bitcoin and Ethereum to their fucking books. All right, so now we're going to get to the actual stories, okay? We're going to skip the market overview. We just did that. That was the video a second ago. And if you're watching this video, but you didn't see the last one, go back to the last video. That's the market cap of the day. And plus with a little yap about the markets. All right, so we're going to get right to the stories. Let's go. Bang. Whoops. Let me head on over here and we do a little bit of hook. Bang. We get right into the stories. All right, let's get right into the stories. So, largest Swiss bank announces Tezos staking services and upcoming crypto trading platform. Daggone. Yes, that's right. Daggone Swiss, they're eating our lunch. Those Europeans are eating our lunch. Everybody's lunch. Everybody. Who's doing anything like the Europeans are? It's not the Asians. Not the Americans. I mean, the Brazilians are making a good run at it. Same with the Canadians, but... All right, let's get real about this. Right now, I don't see anybody playing in this market at the level as the Europeans and the Germans, who are Europeans. I know, as part of the European Union. But you know what I'm saying. And look, I'm telling you the truth. Like, this is exactly what I want to see, and this is exactly the future. You know, in the future, you're going to have your crypto at your bank. And you're going to stake it through your bank. It's going to be on one app. You're going to stake it at your bank. You're going to do whatever. You just hold your NFTs at your bank account. It'll be registered and, It'll be insured. You know, your federally insured bank account. This is beautiful. I mean, if I was a Swiss citizen, I mean, my gosh, I'd be so happy right now. And this is the future. I mean, this is really what we're waiting for. You know what I mean? You know, yeah, guys, this is the truth right here. This is the future. All right, let me get a sip and we'll proceed. Swiss quote. Yeah, man, I used to use those guys for Forex way back when Forex first started. Well, when the internet first started, and I was a Forex trader back then. Swiss quote. I used to use them for my pricing. But then they kicked American people off, so. Shit, you motherfuckers. I know. Why don't you just use a VPN? I know, but. I don't know. All right, let me get a sip and we'll proceed. So, Switzerland's largest bank, Swiss Quote, has revealed that it will soon start offering Tezos staking services. Reportedly, the expected annual yield for the same will be up to 5.7%. Additionally, the bank has plans to launch its crypto trading platform this year. Oh my gosh. Swiss Quote, they are such a good bank. I mean, they are amazing, user-friendly, clean. A clean bank. Like, fuck. I wish they'd let Americans let us use it, man. Fuck. When I first started Forex, man, we'd all use them for charting, for the prices. And then on our American platforms, we'd actually do our entries from here. But we'd get our quotes from over there. All right, guys. Anyways, the launch is likely to take place before June 2022, according to Chief Sales and Marketing Officer Jan de Schepper. Another launch also scheduled to happen this year is that of options trading. Options on crypto or options on stocks or what? That'll be good to know. So currently, Swiss Quotes offers 24 cryptocurrencies for trading, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin XRP, Stellar, and Uniswap. The service increased the bank's revenue in 2021 to an approximately Swiss franc 475 million, or slightly above 511 million. The institution is now looking to incorporate Tezos staking as an additional revenue source. Another income generator will be stablecoins, which Swissquote also plans on providing. Swissquote plans on crypto services. Other than financial advantage, Swissquote will also be benefiting from the country's crypto market, which has shown a high demand for staking services and stablecoins. Exactly. People want to stake. I want to stake my coins. I was talking to one of the brothers here. I'm not going to say his name because I'm going to give some numbers, so I don't want to say all his money in that. But he told me he's staking about $250,000 right now, and he's making about $600 a week. Well, depending on how the market is, right? So between $300 and $650 a week, right? And right now, to me, I mean, I can do that, but to me, that is a lot of money to put on the line for. What if it gets hacked? What if it gets, I don't know. What if the service he's using just gets fucked up and just fucks off with people's money? To me, that's too dangerous. For that amount, I want the $650 a week. I want that residual income, but I'm not going to do it. I don't think. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to, but I'm not going to put that much money at risk just in some unregulated fuckery. But once my bank, like let me tell you something right now. Like if I was a Swiss person, I had Swiss quotes, fucking I'd put $1 million on that motherfucker right now. No problem. No problem. Because it's insured. It's insured. I'd put enough money to whatever insurance level you got. Right? So if the bank has $100,000 insurance, all right, well, I'll put $100,000 in. You see what I'm saying? And this is the future. This is the future when, soccer mom and dad are not just gonna, that's the beauty of crypto, right? It offers you these, which are called dividends. If you know anything about the stock market, it's called dividends. If you buy Facebook shares, every 3 months, Facebook pays you money, right? It's called your quarterly dividends. Microsoft, Boeing, Ford, all of them. Do you know that there's traders out there, all they do is collect dividends? Here in America, the rule is you have to own the stock for 3 days before the dividend give out, before they give out the dividends. So there's guys out there, all they do is they buy shares 3 days before, get the dividend. All right, sell that shit, go buy shares somewhere else, get that dividend, get that dividend. That's all they do is collect dividends. What's guaranteed money, right? As long as you own the shares, you get the dividends. And that's what staking is. It's dividends, right? You're getting money just for having that asset, right? And that's going to be the future. And let's get real with this crypto. These dividends you get from crypto, they're huge. This is way bigger than Microsoft dividends or Facebook dividends. These are pretty big. But in comparison to what they are, it's small if you're having it on some unregulated wallet or something somewhere, right? Whereas if, like I said, if you could do that, if I could do like what Swiss quotes here, if I could have my bank allow me to stake, I'd fucking stake $1 million worth. I'd fucking stake it all. I tell you the truth, all my stakeable coin, I'd stake it all. Fucking right, through my bank, no problem. No problem. Because it's insured and it's custodied properly. But mostly it's insured. So if something goes wrong, all right, well, I get my money back and I can start over, right? So this is beautiful, and that's what you can look forward to. This is what we can look forward to in the future, folks, with our own banks. We read about the Germans. The Germans, their banking association wants to offer crypto services and that. So for you guys over there in Europe, you're eating our lunch. If you're a European, you're allowed to bank with any European bank, right? Because it's the United States of Europe. I know you don't like that, Europeans, but it's daggone true. You're just the United States of Europe now. You're not sovereign nations anymore. Right? You know what I'm talking about. So, anyways, all I'm saying is this is what we can look forward to, and this is what we want here. And around the world for people. And what's good about that is that people will stake their shit in their banks, right? But I have a lot of crypto. Lots. Not many of them. I don't have many of cryptos, but I have many of what I own, right? So I have many Stellars, many V-Chains, many Chainlinks, right? And if I could stake them all at my bank, I would do it in a blink of an eye. And so that's what's good is that when people, because that's what's going to happen, people are going to stake their shit at their banks. And, well, that helps the networks, right? That's what the whole staking thing is about. It helps the networks and all that. And so it also just helps the whole crypto ecosystem in general, right? This staking thing. And so I can't wait. I cannot wait till the day I can stake my shit at my bank. The day I can, I'm doing it. I'm fucking doing it. All right, guys. So other than financial advantages, Swissquote will also be benefiting from the country's crypto market, which has shown a high demand for staking services and stablecoins. Proof-of-stake networks Polkadot and Cosmos had the highest staking yield at 14.7% each. 14.7%. For fuck's sakes, that's huge. You know, like, compared to the stock market, like, fuck, that's astronomical. But I'll tell you right now, there is no stock giving you 14% dividends a year on what your holdings are, right? Like, there's no such thing as that. You know, it's like 3%, 2%. You know, shit like that. So that's according to a report by Staked.us and Kraken Exchange. Ethereum's Layer 2 protocol, Polygon, also saw the highest growth last year to boast a staking yield of 11.3%. Exactly. When you've got staking like that, holy fuck. Fuck, you'd have to be stupid not to do it. Like, just for the dividends alone, right? I mean, you have to think whether that asset is going to go up or down or not. But something like Polygon, yeah, well, Polygon's going to go up, right? A lot of people are transferring to Polygon from Ethereum. So not only is Polygon a quality blockchain, and that blockchain is going to rise in value in terms of its token value, but with fucking staking like that, it's just exponential growth. All right? Fuck. Come on, America, you fucking morons. Here in America, they're worrying about some fucking Canadian people with a truck. Some trucks up in Canada are blocking the traffic and shit. Yeah, it's the big news here in America. Fucking morons. All right. Anyways, listen, to make the most of its services, Swissquote is expanding its coverage after signing an acquisition deal with Keytrade Bank in Luxembourg. The deal is expected to finalize in several months, and more details about it being provided in the bank's March financial report. Keytrade Bank has been operational since 1999, has over 18,000 clients, and roughly $1.7 billion in assets. Oh, they bought the bank. Oh, okay. So of the acquisition, Swissquote's CEO, Mark Burki, remarked, I know, that was probably a bad pronunciation. Burki, isn't it? Burki? Is that how you say that? With the U with the two things over it? Right? Mark Burki remarked, with the acquisition of Keytrade Bank Luxembourg, we will strengthen our European expansion. Moreover, we will continue to develop our service offerings to suit the needs of institutional as well as private clients in Luxembourg and the European Union. Bang! Across the whole European Union. You see the Swiss? Ah, they're coming for the European Union. We will bring together the strengths of both institutions, Swissquote Bank Europe and Keytrade Bank Luxembourg, to become the clear leader in digital investing services in Luxembourg. Oh, yeah. So some side notes. Other noteworthy banks that have ventured into crypto services include America's oldest bank, BNY Mellon, which offers a crypto custodial service. Hodling. JP Morgan Chase offers crypto trading, while Morgan Stanley's offer its wealthy clients, accredited investors, like I've taught you about, access to Bitcoin funds. Bank of America, an institution that was a longtime crypto critic, launched a crypto research arm in October as its clients expressed heightened interest in digital assets. However, a number of central banks, such as those in India and Russia, have been against cryptocurrencies. Fucking miscreants. Preferring instead to work on central bank digital currencies. Well, we don't mind that. We talked about that, about Russia and India. They don't want you using crypto to buy stuff with, but they don't mind if you hodl Chainlink. They don't mind if you hodl. They don't mind. They don't mind if you hodl, Polygon or VeChain or Singularity Net or something. So don't worry about that. So bang, the largest Swiss bank, and this is a beauty. Swiss quote is the most beautiful bank in the world. In the world. Every Forex trader when I was a kid, or not a kid, but when I got into this thing, Swiss quote was the shit, the cleanest numbers, baby. All right, Europeans, you're a lucky bunch. You are a blessed and lucky bunch. All right, let's move on. Bang! The largest independent digital investment advisor in the U.S. now enters the crypto space. So this isn't a bank. But it is a digital investment advisor. And these guys are going to rock some good shit. Oh, yeah, this chicken they're serving here, there's some real nice shit. Let me have a sip and then I'll explain it to you. Well, let's read the byline right there. Betterment will enable its customers to invest in expert-built, diversified crypto portfolios. So, not just only Bitcoin, only Ethereum, only. No, you get to choose what you want in your. Basically, you get to make a fund for yourself. Yeah, your own fucking fund. Yeah, I want this in it, that in it, that in it. I want A, B, and C crypto in it. All right, we'll do it for you. And so, this is good stuff for people like you and I who follow this market so much and we actually know who's actually making money to build your own fucking fund with these guys. I mean, you and I, we actually own the crypto, so we don't need a fund to do it. But I'm just saying, if you ever felt like playing the fun game, your mom wants into crypto, you send her over to Betterment and go, all right, Mom, let's get these guys to make you a fund with bang, bang, and bang in it. And just hodl that, all right, Mom? Yeah. So she doesn't have to cut and paste and do all this crap, right? Fucking send her shit off into Never Never Land. Off to Never Never Land. Shomari? Yes, Mom. I was looking at my wallet, and I sent crypto over to Coinbase, and it's been 5 hours, but it hasn't reached there. Really, Mom? I think you send your shit off to Never Never Land. So you don't want to have to say that kind of bad news to your mom, of course. Or sister. All right, so send them over to a place like this. And you just tell them, look, like, so my sister's name is Rachel. So I tell her, hey, Rachel, let's go get a Betterment account. Yeah, get them to build you a fund. And just tell them to put bang, bang, and bang in it. Yeah, and just hodl that, all right? Easy, right? It's easy for them. So this is a good thing for your not so savvy family members, okay? So if you have family members out there who now they're interested in some crypto, we'll just send them over to this. I would. I mean, I'm not telling you to do that, but like if anyone, ask me, I'll be like, look, just head over to this place. Tell them to put this in it, and then just hodl that. Easy, right? They don't have to learn to cut and paste. They don't have to learn to, get ledgers and Ledger Live and get this app and that app for it and all this. They just tell Betterment what they want, and bang, they got it. All right, let's check it out. So, the largest independent digital investment advisor in the U.S., Betterment, recently announced acquiring Makara, an innovative manager of cryptocurrency portfolios. Right? They'll just manage that portfolio for you. All right, so that's nice and easy. Your mom wants in? All right, just get her to go there. Don't fucking fuck up her brain with Coinbase and cutting and pasting and KYC and all this. Just send them over here. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just saying, well, that's what I would do. All right. Because this is not financial advice. So the acquisition of the Seattle startup that offers thematic baskets designed to meet various goals and interests will enable Betterment to offer managed crypto portfolios in an all-in-one platform. With over $33 million in assets under management and more than 700,000 clients, Betterment entering the crypto market could represent a notable adoption bump. Especially once all those clients see those fucking Super Bowl commercials. Look! Adding Makara's offering to Betterment's platform, reducing the complexity and risks involved in individual stock trading, Betterment offers expert-built equity portfolios. So you build your own portfolio. In other words, it's your own fund. Right? It's your own fund, basically. Because that's all a fund is, right? It's a basket of assets, which is, at the end of the day, just a portfolio that some fund manager sells, right? At the end of the day, all you're buying is a pre-made portfolio, right? Crypto's here to stay. And Betterment wants to live our promise of long-term diversification and to provide our customers with the best variety of assets in the marketplace, says Sarah Levy, Betterment's CEO. So by acquiring Makara, which offers simple, expert-managed crypto portfolios, Betterment moves into the crypto space, strengthening its platform and differentiating its product suite. Yes. Makara is unique in offering consumers managed crypto portfolios, combined with the guidance and ease of use that has defined Betterment. Makara is to crypto today what we are to traditional investing since pioneer robo-investing a decade ago. Once built, Betterment's new crypto portfolios will be offered alongside its current suite of investments. So, SEC registered to offer automated crypto portfolios. Spun out of Strix Leviathan, a crypto trading and management service for enterprises and institutions, Makara is among the first crypto robo-advisors to be registered in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. So this is registered. This is, bang, registered with the SEC. So when Betterment CEO Sarah Levy reached out in November, it felt like fate had aligned to bring our firms together. We believe Betterment's history as a leading digital asset advisor, coupled with our purpose-built crypto investment platform, makes for a formidable combination. Yeah, it's formidable. We're formidable. So, Makara launched last June with a waiting list of 20,000 customers. So Makara, remember, is the crypto arm of this whole deal, onboarding we're talking about here. So they had a waiting list of 20,000 customers eager to choose from the company's set of thematic baskets tailored to cater to different risk appetites. So that's what I'm talking about. You get to make your own fund, right? Like if you want high yield, maybe you get Shiba. Fucking, I would never. But Shiba and Dogecoin in a fund or in one of these thematic baskets. But another, like I told you, a thematic basket is AI. So you get all the artificial intelligence cryptos in there. You know, Singularity Net, blah, 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 whatever ones there are. You get all the thematic. You get the DeFi shit in there. Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, blah, 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 right? So thematic. It has a theme behind it, right? So according to the announcement, the company's team of crypto experts, our engineering talent, will be joining Betterment upon the closing of the transaction expected later this quarter. Further details will be disclosed. So, bang! This is amazing. Like, this really is amazing. Well, I don't lie to you whenever I say something is amazing. It's because it is. But I mean, like, this one, it's so simple, right? Like, imagine your portfolio right now, right? Well, you can just go to these guys and just be like, yeah, just give me blah, 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 blah coin in a portfolio, please. And they just manage it for you. They just handle all the bullshit, right? Like I said, this is good for maybe not the so tech savvy. Like I said, people who don't want to risk cutting and pasting KYC and all this crap. Who often never land. You know what I mean by that? You know, how many times have you sent crypto and it just never arrived? All right. I view it's like the song by Metallica, one of my favorite bands in the world, you know, the Black Album. Exit light, and tonight you put the wrong address in the app. Now your crypto's off to never land. You know what I'm saying? You don't want that. You don't want to hear Metallica playing when you're sending your crypto off. Right? You send your crypto off. All of a sudden you hear the song playing in the background. You're like, no, I sent it off to never land. All right, guys. So that's how it goes. This is great stuff right here. No more off to never land. And build a nice portfolio, which is professionally handled. All right, let's move on. Bang! Finally, marketing or belief? So that's the question people are asking, because opinions are divided as KPMG's Canada's treasury adds Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, I believe the last time I spoke to you, or the time before that, whenever that was, fucking 10 years ago, we talked about KPMG, Ernst & Young, PricewaterhouseCoopers, and Deloitte, the big four auditing firms in the world. These are the guys that audit the books of Ford, of Boeing, of Volkswagen, of whatever. The biggest shit there is to audit, right? And anyways, the thing is that these guys bought some Bitcoin and they bought some Ethereum. Now the question is, are they serious about it? Or is this just a marketing ploy? And I'll tell you the reason why people are saying this. I don't know if it's in this article. I think it might be, but just in case it's not. Do you know that when a company puts Bitcoin on its books, its stock shoots up like 10%? Yeah. Do you know that? So some companies are starting to buy Bitcoin, not because they care about Bitcoin and because they like it, but just because when people hear that they have it on their books, they're like, oh, you're about to make money. Yeah, did you know that? And so that's what people are asking here. They want to know, is KPMG real about this? Or are they just trying to pump their stocks a little bit, right? That's been the word on the street. Well, that's been the question on the street. Is it real or not? So, yeah, so you have right here, right? Is this just marketing or belief? Because obviously, when a company like KPMG buys Bitcoin, well, everybody hears about it, right? Well, and I'm sure they leaked the data so that they made sure everyone knew about it, right? And so, that's the question, right? Are they real about it, or is this just a quick gimmick and done? But as we know, and we read it either last time or the time before. We read that KPMG, Deloitte, PricewaterhouseCoopers, the big four, that they are all gearing up now to start auditing crypto, right? So, yeah, they're starting to audit. They're getting ready to be able to audit firms' crypto holdings and to be compliant with blah, blah, blah regulations in this country, that country, blah, 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 right, for the auditing, right? Because obviously, as these big auditing firms, well, the laws in one country are different from another, right? So that's why KPMG and all these guys, those big four, well, they're compliant everywhere on earth, right? They go by the laws of every country on earth. And so that's why they're the biggest, right? If you're a company in Saudi Arabia, yeah, no problem. KPMG, they know the laws of your country. They can audit your books. If you're a company in Brazil, yeah, no problem. We know your laws. We can audit your books in a regulated way, right? If you're an American company, we can audit your books. European company, we can audit your books. I don't give a fuck if you're a Tanzanian company. Yeah, we got you. We can audit your books. And so that's what, to me, I believe this is more belief because KPMG doesn't need more advertising, right? Ernst, like the big four auditors, you don't need advertising. You're the big four. Everyone knows who you are. It's like being Tom Brady, Michael Jordan, Serena Williams, Tiger Woods. Like, everyone knows who you are. You don't need to tell anyone anymore, right? You understand what I'm saying? That might be a weird example, but you're just so famous like that, everyone just knows who you are already, right? Whether they watch sports or not. I know you're LeBron James, motherfucker, right? Shit like that, or, whatever. Shit like that, right? All right, so let's get a sip and let's check this out. Yeah, so that's the question. Are they just hyping themselves or this is real? I think it's real. You don't have to hype yourself. You're KPMG. That's like saying, oh, LeBron is just trying to hype himself. Well, yeah, he can't hype himself anymore. He's the king. King James, motherfucker. There is no more. Right? You know what I mean? There is no more. Like what? There is no more. Right? He's already the best. It's like saying Tom Brady, he's trying to hype himself. Well, actually, he just retired, didn't he? Fuck, man. He might be back, though. He might be back. Don't let that trick you. They might be just fucking around. He might be back. But you know what I mean? You're Tom Brady. I don't have to hype myself. I'm fucking Tom Brady, bitch. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, what are you talking about? All right, guys, let's move on and let's actually start reading this thing. So the race to integrate cryptocurrencies into the global banking network is real. The digital asset... Wait, did I miss something? No? Oh, okay. So the race to integrate cryptocurrencies into the global banking network is real. The digital asset marketplace recently reclaimed, or rather surpassed, the $2 trillion mark. The sheer valuation was one of the reasons for the unprecedented traction. Right? $2 trillion, this is real. Right? People saw those valuations. What the fuck? And this is only off soccer moms and dads and, basically retail investors. So a report published by KPMG, one of the big four accounting organizations, had published a report to highlight the same. According to the company's biannual Pulse of FinTech report, excuse me, Pulse of FinTech report, investment in crypto and blockchain surged to $30 billion in 2021. In 2018, the figure stood at $8 billion, with 2019 recording a figure of $5 billion, 5.6, and $5.5 billion in 2020. So it just keeps going up, obviously. So following the insights, KPMG in Canada on February 7th completed an allocation of crypto assets to its corporate treasury. So they are taking it on their books. On their books. They're hodling. Oh, yeah. Look. And I want you to understand this. And I really want you to get what I'm about to tell you right here. It's one thing for a fuckstick like Elon Musk to buy crypto. Yeah, he's a lunatic. All right, I'm just kidding. He's not a lunatic. He's a smart guy. But, he's a sort of a radical, weed-smoking CEO. I'm going to build electric cars and shoot people into space, right? He's eccentric. He's, he thinks outside the box, He doesn't follow the rules, he's a different breed of cat. You know what I'm saying? A different breed of cat. And so, when he buys crypto, well, traditional market moss does, and just big billionaire, millionaire guys, they look at him like, well, that's Elon. Elon Musk is the version, he's basically the green-haired nose ring kid of the markets. You know what I mean? Like, he's just kind of a radical little weird kid. You know what I mean? With dreadlocks and green hair and a nose ring, right? If you were to compare it to other market players, you guys get what I'm saying? You know, most market players are just traditional old men. The market cap on this, and the profit margin, you know, they're very, you know, just traditional. You know, they're just traditional. You know, just safe and traditional. Whereas Elon is more of a representation of more of a, I don't know, kind of more like a radical entrepreneur. Not radical, the word isn't radical, but just, you know, he's eccentric. So, you know, when he buys crypto, traditional old money people, they're like, yeah, all right. Yeah, but when KPMG buys crypto, KPMG is the traditional markets. KPMG is the old money. You understand what I'm saying? KPMG is, you know, they are the ones that audit all the books of all that old money around there. You know what I mean? Like, the KPMG, they ain't a bunch of green-haired, nose ring having motherfuckers. I mean, these are some old gray-haired white boys. Let's get real about it. You know what I'm talking about? Old money, just old grumpy money. They ain't listening to, you know, hold on. You know, you get what I'm saying, right? This is just traditional old money. And to have them come into the crypto market now, wow. All the old money in the eyes of the world took notice. I mean, yes, Soros has been sniffing around. So everyone, you know, if you're a killer, you looked about Soros. BlackRock has been sniffing around. True. If you're a hedge fund master, you're like, all right. But if you're just some old money corporate motherfucker, yeah, just these old fucking crusty old fuckers, you know, just been sitting on piles of cash for the past 50 years. And you see KPMG coming in, fuck. They probably audit your company. You probably use them to audit your company yourself. You old crusty rich fuck. Oh, yeah. See what I'm saying? The difference? And it gives legitimacy to this space. To the old money. You know what I mean? That old, you know, generational wealth money. You know, like my granddaddy was rich. My granddaddy came over on the Mayflower type money. So anyways, you guys get it. And so this is great news for us. Great news for us. And I tell you, the eyes of the world saw this. They heard Elon did it. For KPMG to do it, wow. You're talking about a whole different caliber of folk. So this included Bitcoin, Ethereum tokens. It also incorporated carbon offsets to maintain a net zero carbon transaction to deliver on the firm's stated environmental, social, and governance commitments. It acquired in Bitcoin on its balance sheet through Gemini Trust Company. So bang! Gemini, those Winklevoss kids. And, you know, those Winklevoss kids come from old money. Remember, they were born billionaire kids, you know what I mean? They were just born a bunch of billionaires. Look, they didn't build it. You know, they were born it. So, Trust Company, LLC's execution, blah, 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 custody. So, look, crypto assets are a maturing asset class. This investment, maturing. Remember, I've always told you here, this is an immature market right now. Shomari, why don't you trade this stuff, man? You'd make so much money. Of course I would, you idiot. It's not mature yet. I'm not going to trade against a bunch of fucksticks that don't know you should follow the trend, that don't know the trend is your friend. They're morons. They don't know. Well, then you can't trade properly against that. I'd just be going up and down all crazy like them. All right, so look, this investment reflects our belief that institutional adoption of crypto assets and blockchain technology will continue to grow and become a regular part of the asset mix. Exactly. You are invested early in what is going to be a standard part of people's portfolio. I told you already. I've told you this a million times. The soccer mom and dad going to wake up tomorrow. And are they going to say, oh, honey, wake up, honey, sweetie, wake up. What is it, Johnny? Honey, we need to get Bitcoin so we can go buy coffee. Is that going to be the mass adoption? No, that is never going to happen. You crypto nerds are thinking too small. What is going to be the mass adoption is this crypto stuff is going to be in every portfolio. It's going to be in every fucking 401k. If the worker bee is smart enough to take it. That's your mass adoption when hundreds of millions of people have it in their 401ks. And that's just America alone. Wait till Europe, Britain, Japan, everybody come online. That's the mass adoption. In other words, hodling it and investing in it is the mass adoption. This dream, this fantasy of people going to go buy something to then go buy something is stupid. It's redundant. Why would I go buy the crypto to go buy the pizza slice? I could just buy the pizza slice right now with my debit card right now. It's stupid. But why would I put Bitcoin in my 401k? Yeah, because Bitcoin's going to fly, you fuckstick. Why would I put Chainlink, Stellar, SingularityNet, IOTA in my portfolio? Yeah, because it's going to grow. That's your mass adoption. That's your mass adoption. It's not people buying coffee with crypto. If anything, they're just going to buy coffee with their CBDC that they get from their government, right? And bang! It's just going to become a regular part of the asset mix. Yeah, 10 years from now, your neighbor is going to have crypto. Your neighbor right now who doesn't know what a Bitcoin is probably going to have it in their 401k, by the end of the year. Now, I don't know about the end of this year, but next year probably for sure. It's just going to become a regular part of the asset mix. And that's what's beautiful. You guys are here early. That's what I've been telling you about this channel. That's what this channel is about. We got here early. Back when this fucking place was a bunch of ICOs, white papers, and just websites. I mean, these motherfuckers didn't even have test nets. Right? I mean, I remember when a mainnet would come online, it would be a big, joyous occasion. Just to get the mainnet online, never mind it actually doing something. And, well, here we are today. Fucking DeFi, fucking NFTs, stablecoins, CBDCs. All the crypto we're in, if you've been paying attention, is revenue generating, is what should be in your portfolio. Revenue generating product. It's already making money. Your Singularity Nets, bang, making money. Your chain links, bang, making money. The blockchain is actually making money. Not just for you, but the blockchain is actually generating revenue. Your Stellar is about to be rolled out by MoneyGram worldwide. Bang, making money. I mean, you see what I'm saying? We're here way early. Way early. You are here way early. Keep accumulating. Because once the whole world is exposed to this space, it's only going to drive your shit up. It's only going to drive your shit to the moon, I guess. To that. Fuck the moon. We're not going to the moon. You and I, if you've invested right, you're coming with me to the multiverse, fuckstick. Bang! To the multiverse, Shomari. You daggone right. Going to the multiverse. Bang! That's the kind of profits we're going to make. That's the kind of ROI we're looking at. Yeah, return on investment. The majority of people that jump into this space, they're going to make, 10 times their money, maybe even 100 times their money, depending on what they invest in. Look at the shit we bought so long ago. And we're making thousands of times our money. And there's also going to be new stuff that comes out where people are going to make thousands of times their money. Right? That's the beauty of this place, just like the dot-com bubble, is that there's new innovation coming out every day. So there's new chicken to buy every day. There's new stock offering, not stock offerings. So this is cryptocurrency. So coin offerings every day. Right? So it never ends. Yeah. That's why you're going to be rich. Because you were here early. And because you're here early, you're going to make a whole bunch. And there's going to be new innovations. Right now we have NFTs, and this is the year of NFTs. Last year was the year of DeFi. The year before was the year of stablecoin. Last year was the year of NFTs. Now we're in 2022. Yeah, let's see what these crypto nerds come up with this year. Some new fucking tokens, some new shit, right? Some new proof of something. Who knows? All right, let's check it out. All right, let's continue. So another executive reiterated a similar stance. The cryptocurrency industry continues to grow and mature. Grow and mature. Remember back in the days, brothers, I used to tell you about this when I was on this, since we've done this channel, this is an immature market, And that's why we don't worry about price. Because we're here with, dumb money. I hate to say it like that, but it's the truth. Soccer mom's dead, dumb money. People chasing riches. Well, but more than that, but also people who kind of get into sort of a cult mentality, I want to be a member of a community, like this kind of shit. Like, I'm part of the Cardano community. I'm part of the blah, blah, blah community, whereas on this channel, what I try to teach you is, look, you're not part of any community. You're an investor. Okay? Fuck that community. They can fuck themselves. If they're not producing money, well, fuck off. You know what I mean? Like, get out of here. I have no time for you. Go talk to some other suckers. So it's maturing, and it needs to be considered financial services and institutional investors by financial services and institutional investors. Kareem Sadek, advisory partner, crypto assets and blockchain service co-leader. All right, so different proponents within the crypto industry expressed a positive sentiment. Mike Novogratz of Galaxy Digital, Bitcoin maximalist, but he's a market master. Financial services, and around here, he's our one CEO that I read about on purpose, Mike Novogratz of Galaxy Digital, a financial services and investment management company founder, tweeted, "This is big news. A few years back, it was pulling teeth to even get a big four firm to talk to a crypto company. Now they're part of the community. Onward and upward." You daggone right. Now the big four are coming to play now. Soros, BlackRock, Fidelity, Big Four. Oh yeah, you got all the chicken. They're coming to get all this chicken. They're coming to service this industry. What do you mean? Service us, the investors. Don't you want service? Shomari, I don't want service. Fuck these banks. Fuck the government. I want to be my own bank. Well, looky here, fuckstick. I don't want to be my own bank. I want the bank to do its job and be my bank, and so I can hold my fucking assets in it safely. Why do I want to be my own bank for? If you want to be your own bank, you fucking idiot, it doesn't take a fancy blockchain to do that. Go take your fucking paycheck, you fucking worker bee. Go fucking cash it and put the money under your pillow. There you go. You're your own bank. It doesn't take a fancy blockchain to do that, does it? Of course, you don't want to be your own bank, you motherfucking moron. You want your bank to be your bank and your assets to be safe in that bank. If you're in Europe and America, at least. Well, most countries, yeesh. But that's how life is. But, right? Look, onward and upward. We want them all to come in. The big banks, the big service industries, the big insurance companies, all of them. Come on in and service you and I. Service us. I want to be serviced. That's why I live in South Beach. I like customer service. When I pull up at the club, yeah, some motherfucker parks my car for me. It's called valet. I don't have to park my own car. Here, take the keys, fucking idiot. Go park my shit. All right? It's called service. That's what it's like. That's what I want. I want valet service. I want customer service. Valet parking. All right. So, but that's not it. As a result of companies piling up cryptocurrencies in their treasuries, their shares have been a major bump in, this is the one, have seen a major bump in prices, and as a consequence of buying cryptos, have received millions of dollars worth of free marketing. See? So that's what they're wondering. All right, so let me just read on. KPMG is one such example. A share price of the flagship company hiked 2% following the news that they bought crypto. Right? And so they're kind of like, Are these guys just doing this just to get the 2% bump in their shares, or do they really mean it? Obviously, they really mean it because they're an auditing firm. But anyways, people always have to talk bullshit. So apart from this, big banking institutions such as J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs are riding on the bandwagon as well. All right. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Look, is that it? Bang. There we go. So KPMG comes to the party, not just getting ready to audit the crypto, but they're hodling the crypto themselves. Beautiful thing, beautiful thing, beautiful thing. Like I said, this is that old money. This is this old crusty money. This ain't Elon new flashy boy money. You know what I mean? Eccentric weed smoking on Rogan money. None of that out of KPMG executives. You know what I'm saying? No. There's none of that coming out of the KPMG camp. This is just straight-laced old crusty money. Which is the exact money we're waiting for, boys and girls. So, look, because they're the ones with all the money to bring us the tsunami we need. Bang! Let's move on. All right, let's get to some shout-outs, have some fun. Bang, what we got going on over... Oh, this is the chat room. Hold on. Bang, let's go over here. All right, this fucking idiot. This guy just kept tagging me in some NFT thing. All right, Julianne Soriano followed me. Love your girl, see you girl. Bang! Bam! Connecting the dots. Love your brother, see you brother. Bang! What are you talking about? I see some sovereign wealth fund talk. Sovereign wealth fund, VET, eyes $150 million for crypto fund of funds. Oh, of course it does. Of course it does. Not stupid. So you know what a sovereign wealth fund is? I've taught you what a sovereign wealth fund is. A sovereign wealth fund is a fund that's controlled by a country. Right? That's why it's called sovereign, right? Because it's a sovereign, right? Your nation is sovereign. So they call them sovereign wealth funds. So, I mean, America doesn't have any, but countries out there do. And what it is the country actually invests the taxpayers' money in assets. So it could be gold, diamonds, stocks, bonds, fuck, whatever, just whatever they want. I mean, it's a hedge fund, but it's for a country. So you're investing taxpayers' money, and it's supposed to generate you revenue, and then that revenue goes back to your country, right? Right, like in the olden days, you tax your citizens, you get that bunch of money, and that's how much money you have for roads and bridges and the military and the teachers and the cops and the this. Well, with a sovereign wealth fund, you get the regular money, you get taxes from your citizens, but a sovereign wealth fund, you take that money and you invest it. So it grows if you're good at what you're doing, right? The fund grows. It should. And so, and then you get to now you get to buy more bombs and guns and aircraft carriers, more roads and bridges, more cops and teachers, more schools and right? The government gets to buy more because they've grown the tax dollars of their citizens, right? Rather than just, well, this is the money I got. Okay, we got to pay this. Oh, we can't afford it anymore. No, you get a sovereign wealth fund and you can actually grow the money in the markets, right? And so, so these guys want to do a crypto fund. I don't see what country this is from. Oh, she's a sovereign wealth fund pro. Oh, I see. Sovereign wealth fund veteran. Okay, so, all right. So this isn't a sovereign wealth fund investing in crypto, but she's a sovereign wealth fund veteran who used to manage a sovereign wealth fund. I'd like to know for what country. And she's getting into crypto. Great. Well, that's awesome. Biniam, thank you so much. Bang. Let's move on. Oh, here we go, miscreants. Beautiful browlays. Love you, lady. See you, lady. This much. Bang. KJ Gatsby pushing that chicken. Love her, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Andrew Richada, the enforcer. What are you trying to do, fuckstick? Mr. Richada, I'm just trying to sell a little crypto. I just, You just trying to do what? I said I'm just trying to sell a little crypto. My wife wants a new kitchen. A new kitchen? Settle down, brother. Settle down. Now's not the time. See, the guy's supposed to tell his wife now's not the time. Sometimes Andrew has to come in and step in. Now's not the time, fuck stick. Settle down. Hurdle. The juice is worth the squeeze, boy. Settle down. Yes, Andrew, you're a multifaceted helper of man. Yes. A good backhand gets a man with his mind right again. It's all it takes sometimes. And Andrew's more than willing to help. Well, he's more than willing to lend to the cause of furthering humanity's wealth growth. Thank you, brother. Love everybody, see you, brother. Bye. That's daggone right. Bria. It's a sexy Bria. Might be coming up to your city soon. Can't wait to see ya. Look, can't wait to see ya. Bria. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. She's fun. All right, Jonathan Jew. Hosky always. What the fuck is this? Whatever that is. Love her with the sea brother. Bang. Grudgeable. Love her with the sea brother. Bang. Lorna Downs. All in Downs. Look. That's what all in means. She owns it all. All the good shit. Oh, yeah. Better hurry up before she doesn't leave any for anyone else. She's not leaving anyone for anyone else. She's greedy like that. Because she knows the mission. She says, fuck it. If you guys don't want it, I'll take it. Look. You better go get yours, folks, before Lorna gets it all. Because she's all in. She said, look, fuck sticks. Not like a poker table. Like a daggone poker table. All right, she's got her hand right here. She's looking at all of you miscreants. Oh, yeah. All right, this guy folds. This guy stays in. You shouldn't have stayed in, homeboy. You know who you fucking with? You fucking with Lorna all in down. This guy folds. That guy folds. Now it's just him and Lorna. Shit. Man, this guy's in deep trouble. Lorna looks at her cards. She looks at that miscreant. She puts her cards down and just says, look, fuck stick. Bang! I'm all in. The slaughter. She's she's a killer. She's a slaughter master. Oh yeah. You want to fuck around? She'll go all in on a motherfucker. Then you know what fucking getting slaughtered is all about. Look, she'll take your lunch and your kids' lunch and your kids' college and your kids' college fund too. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bang. Oh, a new one. Patty Carpenter. Oh, no, she's been here before. Patty. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Sunny Bee. Spy lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. The assassin. Oh, look at these three ladies right here. And Bria. Oh, yeah. Got a nice stable of women. Good. You guys know me. I have a sister. So I like when women make money. Daggone it. Just make that money, girls. All right. Oh, look at this new guy. V-Shane. Oh, that's a good one. V-Shane. He calls himself V-Shane Figurelli, seeker of truth and independence. All right, brother. Aren't we all? Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Good goals. Robbie Hardaway, my brother from the multiverse. Yo, Robbie. I'm going to need a delivery of that you-know-what to get me over this hump with this daggone criminal shit. Look, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Not a criminal. I might be in a little trouble. Look, Victor. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Misdemeanor though, settle down. Grudge the ball. Bang. Love you, brother. Bang. Oh, and hold on here. Sorry, Victor. Bang. What are you talking about here with your GIF? To the moon. Yes, indeed, brother. We are going there eventually and beyond. So that's everybody. Oh, there's Edwin, the original Crazy Edwin, the exclusive mascot of CB News. Lever with the zebra with a bang. And as he told me today, the hype man. Nice. Who do we got here? Oh, Burke Lever Hexacan. Lever with the zebra with the bang. Ah, there he is. Yes, I was wondering who my security detail was. Look, our loyalist from Central Europe and the master of CB News security. Lever with the zebra, the misanthrope. Bang. Love me some misanthrope. Mr. Rosser, good to see you around, brother. Lever with the zebra, the bang. What are you talking about? You know you boy is NFT games floors. Is buying NFT games floors. Are you? All right, brother. Hope those work out. Bang. Good stuff. Victor. Yes, sensei. Oh, that's from the last video? Nice, Victor. Bang. All right, that's everybody. Is it? Oh, this guy, he's trying to do some SEO shit for me. All right, let's get back to the Death Star, everybody. Yep. Bye. Welcome back, everybody. All right, so we had a great show for you today. Of course we did. Greatest in the multiverse. Yes, you've been waiting so long for it. Well, you've received it. You've received the greatness. Your portion of the greatness. You've received a liberal portion tonight. Well, this morning of the greatness. The video before and this piece of chicken here. Daggone. I might even drop another piece of chicken. Who knows? Look. Let's see what we talked about today. Oh, yeah, we talked about some good shit today. Yeah. We talked about some chicken today. What do you mean, Shomari? Well, what I mean is, bang, Swiss quotes. Swiss largest bank is offers Tezos staking and crypto trading. Bang, bang, bang. I can't emphasize enough. The beauty of Swiss quotes doing that. And they're branching out into the European Union through, what the fuck was that country? Hold on, let me look. One second, guys, 1 second. Well, they bought that shit in that country. Key Trade Bank. Oh, Luxembourg. Bang! Yeah. So look, Swiss quotes. And like I said, man, I mean, that's the beauty. The European Union is destroying us here in America and the world, really. I mean, they're number one. Let's just say it that way. You know, it's not a... fuck, my shirt's all fucked up. It's not a... well, whatever, man. They're destroying everybody. They're destroying us all. But it's a example of what exactly is going to come to this space. And, you know, if you live in Europe, Canada, wherever, well, expect the same. You guys, obviously, in the U.S., expect the same. One day we're going to be staking at our banks. We're going to hodl our crypto at our banks. Shomari, don't you want to be your own bank? No, I don't want to be my own bank. I want customer fucking service. I want a 1-800 number I can call when any problems ever happen and it gets fixed. That's what I want. I don't want to shoot my shit off into Neverland. Off to Neverland. And it's unrecoverable or some such thing as it is now, right? No, I don't want to be my own bank. You want to be your own bank? I said it before. Cash your paycheck, take the cash, and put it under your fucking pillow. There you go, bankster. Now you're your own bank, okay? Now you're a bankster, okay? Fucking moron. Of course not. So look, this is big news, big news, big news. And you all know how the Swiss are. You know, I mean, it's just a banking place. I've told you about the Swiss. When your child is born, you get a free Bloomberg terminal. Yeah, it comes complimentary with the birth. All right, with the birth. Yeah, that's how Switzerland is. You know, when you're a child, you know, before you learn ABCs and 1, 2, 3s, you learn how to fucking manipulate a Bloomberg terminal. You know what I mean? That's how it is over there, right? They're just banksters. They're banksters in Switzerland. And so when you see banksters like this coming online, I mean, fuck, it's just pure legitimacy, pure amazingness. And everyone, let's get real. Everyone knows the Swiss aren't going to miss out on any money talk or any money, anything, you know. They're a little country, but they're smart. No, we don't grow vegetables. No, we don't grow cows. We make straight cash, homie. Like that should be like the Swiss national anthem. Just what's the Swiss national anthem? Just, you know, we just make straight cash, homie. Right? We make straight cash, homie. What do you guys do in Switzerland? Make cash. What do you mean? What else is there to do? What do you mean? So, anyway, seriously though, which is kind of serious, but obviously I exaggerated, but it is kind of serious. That's great. Tezos is staking, and obviously they're going to stake everything. They're going to offer staking for all the fucking every stakeable thing, I'm sure, and eventually. So, I'm telling you, just Europe is eating our lunch, and Switzerland especially. Fuck. So all I gotta say is, well, so for hodlers of Tezos, bang. And just anybody living in Switzerland, like, I'm jealous. You know, I'm jealous. I can't wait till the day my bank lets me actually hodl and stake and rock and roll through a insured bank account. Okay, that's all I can say about that. So, look, Tezos hodlers and Swiss citizens, you win again. Bye! And they do. They win again, daggone. They're winning. All right. And then the largest independent advisor in the U.S. enters crypto. And so that's that one. What the fuck is the name of this? Betterment. Hold on a second. Betterment. Yeah. So Betterment, like, that's what's cool. You're just building a portfolio with them, but a portfolio is a fund. And so that's what you're getting in. They handle all the shit. So, and so that's what I like about this is that they're tailor-made to you. You make it, right? You make the fund or the portfolio, and then they manage it for you, right? And so no cutting and pasting, no KYC, none of that bullshit. Just easy. Anyway, this is a great thing. Like I said, like, you know, if your mom or something asks you, like, hey, I want to get into crypto, all right, just go to Betterment, mom. Just tell your mom, you know, look, just buy some Chainlink, Singular Net, some Polygon and Bitcoin, and just chill out, mom, you know, and just let Betterment handle it for her, you know, like, it's sort of a lazy person. I guess what I'm trying to say, it's a little bit of a lazy person thing, but, like, so what? You're making money off the crypto, so, and like I said, there's no chance of getting your shit sent off to Neverland, and these are regulated, we read regulated, not funds, but portfolios that they're going to make for you through Kadama, right? They bought that company Kadama, which is a SEC licensed place. So that means they got insurance, and that means they have custody, licensed, regulated custody. And so this is a great place to park your money. I'm not going to bullshit you. And what's good about this place is that, I mean, I don't know, but it didn't say only for accredited investors, only for wealthy investors. Sounds like it's for anyone. And that's why I'm telling you, like, yeah, if your mother, your sister, you know, who aren't tech savvy or just whatever, but they want some money, they see you're making money, and they want to throw some chicken at crypto, I'd throw them at this Betterment place. I'm not telling you to do that. This is not financial advice, but I'm just saying, if my mom ever asks me, Shomari, man, well, she doesn't talk like that, but I mean, she talks like more, Shomari, I see you making money at the crypto. How about if I put some money in? Where should I put it, Shomari? Yeah, I'd tell her, hey, Mom, just go to this place, Betterment. Buy this. They'll make a portfolio and your chicken will be safe. Thank you, boy. So there you go. Look, great stuff. Bang! And remember, this is the largest in America. So that's the other thing about this is this is the largest in America with over 200,000 customers. And so, like I said about those Super Bowl commercials, everyone's going to be running around looking for crypto after Sunday. Fucking probably starting Sunday night. So, bang! And then finally, KPMG adds Bitcoin and Ethereum to their books. They bought it. They hodl it. KPMG. Not Elon. Not crazy Elon. KPMG. Wow. And so this is quite amazing. This is a wake-up call to the old money world. Crypto's here to stay, and it's real. And, like I said, it's one thing to see Elon Musk buying crypto. All right, he's kind of a radical, eccentric billionaire, shooting people off into space kind of shit. It's a whole other thing to talk to a bunch of accounting nerds at KPMG, which is all they are, a bunch of bean crunchers, bean counters, bunch of math masters, accounting masters, and having them buy in. These are not radical folk. Yeah, these are not, think outside of the box type folk. These are not, innovators. These are just straight laced, just count the numbers motherfuckers at KPMG, old money. And for them to come into crypto, wow. That says a lot. That says a lot to the industry itself, the auditors, but also just to the world. This is KPMG is an auditing company that audits companies like Ford, Chevy, Raytheon, the American Air Force, big mega. That's what these guys are. And now they have crypto. This is a mega thing. This is a mega big thing. It sends a big signal to the market. And this is great for us, and it's great for crypto. Because it's things like this. The Super Bowl commercials on Sunday. Soccer moms and dads are going to get that lick. A thing like KPMG, old money, big money, gets this lick. You understand what I'm saying? Which is the people that we want, the institutional investors. Let me say it that way, sorry. Well, old institutional money and shit understands this. You see what I'm saying? And that's what we want. That's what our tsunami is about. I'm happy to get these soccer moms and dads, and we're going to get them with this Super Bowl stuff that happens this weekend, but let's get real. This KPMG lick right here, that's the kind of money, that's the level of money we want. And that's the level that the money is here. They put it on their books. It is official. And so, like they said, they asked, did they buy it just to kind of jack up their stock price? Doesn't matter. They hodl it, don't they? So I don't give a fuck why they did it. They have it. But I don't think they did do it just to jack up their stock price. Like I said, KPMG, those are just some crusty old guys like that. Like, they don't care about that. They don't have to jack up their stock price. Everyone knows who the fuck they are. Like I said, like LeBron James, right? He doesn't have to promote himself. I'm LeBron James, bitch. You know what I've done. I'm Tom Brady, bitch. Seven Super Bowl rings. I don't have to tell you what I've done. I'm Tiger Woods, motherfucker. I've won it all. I don't have to tell you what I've done. You know what I mean? Like, they're beyond that level of, they're not fake it till you make it. They've already made it. So they don't have to do gimmicky little things to kind of get their name out there or something like that. Like, They are the killers. You know what I mean? And so this is great news, great news. Great news, like I said. Super Bowl is going to bring us soccer mom and dad. And news like this KPMG thing, that's going to bring us that old crusty institutional money. And that's what we need. So on that note, let's chill it. Let's kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang! Subscribe below and press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. Look, the greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Bang! I love talking crypto. Bang! This is the favorite time of my day. So thank you for having me in your home. And I'll see you all when I see you. Don't worry. Soon we're going to be back on track. But just in terms of the 5-day-a-week thing. But so I'll see you when I see you for now. And until then, just wait for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. So until then, subscribe below and press the bell. Bang! Watch that video there and get your mind right. Bang! And I'll see you all when I see you. I love you guys. Always watch the money. And I know, sometimes I'm not here lately. You guys know my shit's going on, and it's fucking up this show. But we'll be back in the swing of things soon. So love you guys. Love you all. See you soon. Bang! Shomari Clarke. Yes. Over and out.